In this question, we are asked to find the enthalpy of reaction for 3 cm solid plus 4 HP gas reacts to form CM3 HP8 gas plus 5 OT gas. To begin, the first reaction we're given, we must flip it so that the CM3 HP8 is on the product side, which means we must also flip its enthalpy of reaction, changing the sign from a negative to a positive. The second equation, to get the 3 cm, because we know we have 3 cm, we must multiply everything by 3, so we have 3 cm, 3 OT, 3 cm OT, 2, and then we must also multiply the enthalpy of the reaction by 3. For the third and final equation, we must multiply the whole thing by 4 because we have 4 HP. So we must have 4 HP 2, 2O2, 4 HP OT plus enthalpy of reaction times 4. Then we will begin canceling out things on the different sides of the full equation. To make it easier on ourselves, let's write out the whole equation with everything on the reactant side, all like terms put together, and everything on the product side, like terms added together. So, now that we have that done, we will see which things are the same on both sides. So we can cancel out the 5 OT, we can cancel out the 3 cm O2 T2, and we can cancel out the 4 HP2 OT. And this leaves us with our 3 cm plus 4 HP2 reacts to form CM3 HP8. And now all we have to do is add all of the enthalpies of reaction together, and we get our enthalpy of the full reaction, which is 719.9 kilojoules. Question number 2. We were asked to find the enthalpy of the reaction for NW2 gas plus 3 HR2OT liquid reacts to form 2 NWHR3 aqueous plus 3 NW2OT gas. First, let's start with what we know, which is the enthalpies of formation for HROT, NWHR3, and NW2OT. Since we'll be using the products minus the reactants, we will switch this in the first step so as not to forget later on. So we know that since it will be 2 times the enthalpy formation of NWHR3 plus 3 times the enthalpy formation for NW2OT minus 4 times the enthalpy formation for NW2 plus 3 times the enthalpy formation HR2OT. We'll plug in our numbers to get 2 times negative 46.58 plus 3 times 85.4 minus 4 times 0 plus 3 times negative 263.4, which leads us to negative 93.16 plus 256.2 minus negative 790.4, leading us to our final enthalpy of the reaction, which is 953.4 kilojoules.